How to add a payee Royal Bank of Scotland. The Royal Bank of Scotland, RBS, is a leading UK bank that provides retail and commercial services, including bank accounts, mortgages, loans, and savings to individuals and small to medium-sized businesses. First, go to Royal Bank of Scotland website and log into your account. Once you have logged in, click the Payments and Transfers link, select Make a Payment or Transfer, and then click the Pay Someone New link. Enter the new payee details, their name, their sort code, and account number. Then, from the drop-down, select if this is a personal or a business account and click Next. If the details you entered are correct, you will see it's a match message on screen. Then click Next. You can add text to the payment reference box to let the payee know who sent the payment. Click Next. Now you can make payment with a payee of Royal Bank of Scotland. That's it. Thanks for watching.